Making $1,000 without working is a complex task and often involves either passive income streams or leveraging assets and investments. While many methods claim to help you make money without working, most still require some initial effort, time, and planning. Here's an overview of ideas, principles, and strategies, but keep in mind that true no-work opportunities are rare, and most passive income ideas involve some form of ongoing management, risk, or effort. Let's see how to earn $1,000 without working. Investing in stocks is a popular way to potentially make $1,000 without working actively, but you need a sizable initial investment, knowledge, and patience. Stock investments can grow over time, and dividends provide a way to earn passive income. Real estate rentals offer an option to make money passively. Once you own property, you can rent it out, and rental income may accumulate, though there is ongoing property management involved. Creating an online course requires upfront work, but once it's created and marketed, it can generate income repeatedly without continuous effort. Investing in bonds offers another way to earn passive income. Bonds typically pay interest at regular intervals, allowing you to earn without actively working. High-interest savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, can generate passive income. You won't earn massive amounts unless you deposit a large sum, but it's a low-risk way to make money without much effort. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to loan money to individuals or businesses via platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, you earn interest on the loan, but there is risk if the borrower defaults. License photography to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Getty Images, and you can earn royalties whenever someone downloads your photos. Affiliate marketing can earn you commissions by promoting products or services online. After setting up your content, affiliate links can continue to generate income passively. Create a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads. It takes time to build an audience, but successful channels earn money from advertisements, even when you're not creating new content. Develop an app or a software product. Though there is initial work in development, apps can earn money through ads, subscriptions, or purchases long after creation. Buy dividend-paying stocks and receive quarterly or annual dividend payments. Companies like Coca-Cola, AT&T, and Johnson & Johnson have long histories of paying dividends to shareholders. Invest in a business as a silent partner, where you provide capital and the business operators handle the day-to-day tasks. You earn a portion of the profits without directly working. Sell digital products like ebooks, printables, or templates. Once the products are created and listed on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal involvement. Automate a dropshipping business where you handle the marketing and sales, and suppliers handle the inventory and shipping. Once set up, it can run with little intervention. Create a blog that generates passive income through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. It takes effort to set up and gain traffic, but it can become a steady income stream. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to earn from real estate investments without directly managing properties. REITs often pay dividends to investors. Rent out your car through platforms like Turo or GetAround. If you don't need your car every day, renting it out can provide passive income. License your music to be used in commercials, films, or video games. Platforms like Audio Jungle allow you to earn royalties each time your music is used. Rent out storage space if you have extra room in your garage or basement. People are often looking for affordable storage, and once rented, you can earn passive income. Create an online membership site where users pay for exclusive access to content. Once the site is established, it can generate recurring revenue. Buy and hold cryptocurrencies. Though highly volatile, buying cryptocurrencies and holding them for long periods can result in significant returns without continuous effort. License patents or inventions if you have a unique product or idea. You can earn royalties from companies that use your invention. Write a book and publish it, either traditionally or as a self-published author. Once it's on the market, book sales can generate passive income for years. Create a subscription box service. While there is initial work involved in starting the business, once it's automated, you can continue earning revenue from recurring customers. Invest in index funds, which track market indices and grow over time. Index funds require little active management and provide a way to earn from stock market gains passively. Flip domain names by buying and selling them for a profit. Though it requires some skill and research, successful domain flipping can provide substantial returns. License your designs to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You earn a portion of each sale without managing inventory or shipping. Invest in a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront, which automatically manages and grows your investments. Once your money is invested, the robo-advisor handles the rest. Earn cashback rewards by using a cashback credit card for regular purchases. Over time, the rewards can add up without requiring extra work. Build a passive income stream with an online newsletter. If you create a popular newsletter, you can earn money through sponsorships or paid subscriptions. Invest in art or collectibles. If you have an eye for valuable pieces, investing in rare art or collectibles can yield high returns over time. Create a podcast and monetize it with ads or sponsorships. Popular podcasts can generate consistent income even from past episodes. Automate a vending machine business. Once you set up the machines in high-traffic locations, they require minimal effort to maintain. Rent out your home on Airbnb. If you have extra space or a second property, renting it out can provide regular income without working daily. License your blog posts or content to other websites. Some companies are willing to pay for high-quality blog content to use on their sites. Invest in agricultural land and lease it to farmers. You can earn passive income from the land without needing to work it yourself. Create and sell website templates. Once designed, website templates can be sold multiple times on platforms like ThemeForest. Buy and lease equipment. If you own expensive equipment like construction tools, you can rent it out to people or businesses that need it. Create a paid app. While the upfront work involves developing the app, a successful paid app can continue generating revenue for a long time. Start an automated e-commerce store using a fulfillment service. This way, orders are processed and shipped without your direct involvement. Invest in ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which are similar to mutual funds but trade on stock exchanges. They provide diversified exposure to various assets and can earn returns over time. Create an online community where members pay for exclusive access or content. Platforms like Patreon allow creators to monetize their communities. License your code or software if you are a developer. Companies may pay to use your code, generating royalties or one-time payments. Create and sell stock video footage. With the rise of video content, selling stock footage can generate passive income as companies purchase clips for their projects. Invest in fractional real estate through platforms like Fundrise. You can own a small share of larger properties and earn a portion of the rental income or appreciation. License intellectual property such as trademarks or copyrights. Businesses may pay to use your intellectual property for their products or services. Create an audiobook and sell it on platforms like Audible. Once the audiobook is recorded, it can generate income with each sale or download. Invest in royalty-generating assets, such as music catalogs or intellectual property. Every time the asset is used, you earn a royalty payment. Start a YouTube channel with ad revenue. Once your channel reaches a certain number of subscribers and views, ads can generate income even from older videos. Build an online portfolio of digital assets, such as photos, music, or videos, and sell them through platforms like Shutterstock or Pond5. Once uploaded, these assets can be sold repeatedly without further effort. Sell digital art on platforms like OpenSea or Etsy, allowing people to purchase your art repeatedly. Invest in commercial real estate through platforms like CrowdStreet, which allows you to pool resources with others and earn from large properties. Create a subscription-based app that provides value to users, earning monthly or yearly fees after the initial development. License your inventions to companies that will pay to manufacture and sell them, earning you royalties. Become an angel investor by funding startups, earning equity in growing businesses without participating in day-to-day operations. Lease out parking spaces if you live in a high-demand urban area, making money from unused spaces. Sell handmade goods on Etsy, using a fulfillment service to handle the logistics of shipping and packaging. Create an online course on Udemy or Teachable, which continues to generate revenue long after it's completed. Invest in farmland and lease it to farmers, earning a steady income from agricultural production. Buy and rent out construction equipment, letting construction companies lease your machinery for a fee. License your blog content to be republished on other websites, allowing you to earn passive income from your writing. Purchase an ATM and place it in a high-traffic location, collecting fees every time someone uses it. Create a mobile game app and earn money through in-app purchases or ads once the game is live. License your graphic design work to be used on merchandise like t-shirts and mugs, earning royalties per sale. Invest in fine wine through platforms like Vininvest, allowing your wine collection to appreciate over time and potentially sell for a profit. Lease a billboard in a high-traffic area and rent out the advertising space to businesses. Invest in renewable energy projects like solar farms, where you can earn income from the power generated by your share of the energy project. Buy and lease out musical instruments to schools, bands, or musicians who need them for long-term use. Create and sell guided meditation recordings, earning money from downloads or streaming royalties. Purchase vending machines and place them in offices, schools, or gyms, generating passive income from snack and drink sales. Start a subscription service for digital newsletters, where users pay to receive exclusive content regularly. Write and sell nonfiction ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle, which continue to sell without additional effort once published. Rent out party equipment like tables, chairs, and tents for events, generating income from one-time rentals. Invest in domain names with potential value and sell them to businesses or individuals who want a premium web address. Buy and lease out 3D printers to schools, small businesses, or entrepreneurs needing advanced printing capabilities. Sell private label products on Amazon through Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, where Amazon handles shipping and customer service for you. Purchase and rent out a photo booth for parties and weddings, earning passive income from rental fees. Invest in the stock market using dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, where dividends automatically purchase more stock, growing your investment passively. Rent out your unused land for camping or recreational purposes using platforms like HipCamp to find renters. Create a membership community on platforms like Patreon, where users pay monthly for exclusive content, interactions, or perks. License your recipes to restaurants or chefs who will pay for the use of your creations in their menus. Create a digital product subscription service, such as a curated bundle of digital assets, graphics, fonts, templates, for designers. License your research or data to academic institutions, companies, or organizations looking for valuable insights and information. Invest in gold or other precious metals, letting the value of the investment grow over time, potentially selling it for a profit in the future. Start a mobile car wash business and automate it by hiring employees to run it, generating passive income through the operation. Create and sell fonts for designers to use in their projects, allowing your designs to be purchased repeatedly. Buy and lease office equipment such as copiers, printers, and furniture to businesses that need it but don't want to purchase outright. Start a dropshipping store where products are sent directly from the supplier to the customer without you handling inventory. License your videos on platforms like Vimeo or YouTube, where others can pay to use your footage for their projects. Purchase a vacation rental property in a popular tourist area, earning passive income from renting it out short-term. Create an online store selling digital downloads, such as printable artwork, planners, or educational resources. Invest in cryptocurrencies and hold them for long periods, allowing their value to grow passively over time. License your software ideas to tech companies that will pay you for the rights to use your concepts. Create a subscription-based service for your YouTube channel, offering exclusive content or early access for paid subscribers. Rent out your photography equipment to budding photographers or videographers looking for affordable rental options. Buy and lease out medical equipment, especially for clinics or healthcare providers who need specialized tools on a temporary basis. Create a series of how-to guides or tutorials, monetizing them through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Develop and sell 3D models for use in animation, gaming, or product design, allowing you to earn passive income from your designs. Invest in a laundromat business where machines run automatically, and you only need occasional maintenance for passive income. License your travel photos to tourism boards or travel agencies looking for high-quality images to promote destinations. Create an audiobook series on popular topics or fiction, earning royalties or sales income from Audible and other audiobook platforms. Invest in peer-to-peer real estate lending platforms where you earn interest on loans made to property developers. Develop a passive income website that earns revenue through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored content. Rent out a hot tub or pool if you have one on platforms like Swimply, where others can pay to use it for a few hours.